lay exposed before being dismantled and set ablaze, marking a decisive end to the shrine's activities. Under a plea bargain arrangement, prominent traditionalist and native doctor Chidozie Nwangu, widely known as Akwa Okuku Tiwaraki, entered a guilty plea, paving the way for a reduced sentence. He admitted to administering charms allegedly linked to unlawful wealth acquisition and related offenses. Delivering judgments, Justice Jude Obiora convicted him and imposed a 24-month prison sentence, with part of the term to run concurrently with the time already spent in custody, leaving 11 months remaining. Reacting to this, counsel to the accused confirmed the verdict was in line with the agreement reached with the Anambra state government.
There is no way I will tell you that I'm not okay with it, because it is a plea bargain agreement. That was the agreement was signed with the government when we agreed on the issue of plea bargain. And the government kept to their own side by sentencing him 11 months imprisonment.
Enforcement of the judgment followed almost immediately. The shrine of Akwa Okuku Tiwaraki, located in Obai, Demili South local government area of Anambra State, was demolished by operatives of the Agune Chamber Strike Force, led by the special advisor to the governor, Soludo, on community security.
Now bring it out. Everything, yeah, that's right.
Native pots, photographs, molded figures, clothing, calabashes, and other ritual items lay exposed before being dismantled and set ablaze, marking a decisive end to the shrine's activities.
Mine is to give effect to the judgment of the court, the aspect that concerns the shrine, which is to ensure that the shrine is destroyed and burnt down. Also, mine is to give effect to the provisions of the Homeland Security Law, which made it clear that any premises being used for the nature of offense is forfeited to the state government. So we are here to formally again take over the entire space. It's now the property of the government of Anambra State, going by the Homeland Security Law. And the shrine, as you can see, is already destroyed and burnt down.
Chidozie Nwangu was arrested in February 2025 alongside two other native doctors, Onyebuchi Okocha, also known as Onyeze Jesus, and Ekene Ibukweze, alias Eke Heat, who remain in custody.